In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and when you're ready, go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. To paste it, you can tap on it at the top of your keyboard or use Clipboard. To do that, just tap on it and paste wherever you want to by clicking on it or holding it and selecting Paste in the pop-up. Now, if you want to paste your text after an hour or more, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, you need to hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Also, thanks to the same pop-up, you can tap on Edit and edit your clip. Now, to delete it, you can swipe it to the right, to the left. Hold it and use the same pop-up by choosing Delete button. Or, to manage multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, select multiple stuff, and use either this pin or this bin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!